When it was operating with an operator, it would run at about 148 seconds. Now we're running about 105, and the reason that is because the operator door, the getting off the steps, they were always lax on the door, so that when they restarted the machine every time they got the part out, we wanted to make sure we had a consistent cycle. So we actually had to add time to the cycle to make sure every part was the same, whether the operator was slow or fast. And some of the operators like to really be fast, and some of them are just, nonchalant. And, it's an all-day job, so I understand that. But this took the cycle from 148 seconds to 105 seconds at a consistent level, and I'll go with that all day long.
The current robot we're using on our cell, what it's doing is it's actually going in a job where we would normally have an operator reach in, grab the part, pull it out themselves, and put it into a water bath. The robot's now eliminating the need to open the door up. It's reaching in, grabbing the part for us, staging it, so allowing it to cycle, and then feeding it down an elevator into the water bath to allow it to cool properly, and then it has a timer for us to know when to go ahead and collect those parts. I would say right now we're definitely guaranteed an extra 20 to 25%. Now we definitely guarantee our shipping obligations. With the automation that Formic has provided, the growth we're expecting to see is just everything we could guarantee towards our customers. The biggest thing is customer satisfaction, and being able to set up actual goals, ship dates, and all that goes along with that. We're able to guarantee it with all the automation we hope to continue working with Formic.